Hi, it's Chris with Accurate LED. I want to tell you about our modules. These are LED modules. They're kind of they're a really creative item. They're kind of an open-ended sort of a thing. They're just little collections of LEDs that are sealed in a resin, like a plastic enclosure, and you can use them for all sorts of different things. The trick is they're not that attractive to look at, so you want to hide them. Let's say you have a shelf, maybe in your kitchen, and you've got what's called a light rail at the bottom of the shelf. It's actually a distance behind the shelf where you can't see anything. This is a really cool place to put modules because you can put them up under there. You'll never see them, but you'll see all the light that they emanate. So I want to tell you a little bit about these modules and how they work. As you can see, there's a couple of screw holes here. You can use that to attach them, or you can use adhesive. We use something that Loctite makes called Power Grab. It's a really nice interior adhesive. You can get it right off the shelf at any hardware store probably, but it doesn't have a smell to it. It sticks right away, and it dries in a couple of hours, and it sticks really well. As far as attaching these things, or you can use a pair of screws too, actually, little tiny screws, but I'd be careful with that because you can, kind of get the screw caught in the wire sometimes. Anyway, it's real simple to connect these. You just take a DC power supply. This happens to be a little 30-watt power supply we've got, and the wires, there's a positive and a negative wire on the power supply as well as on the module, and you have to match them up, positive to positive, negative to negative, and there you go. These are blue, as you can see. Really a nice effect. You can use these for so many different things. We have attached these to the backs of flat screen televisions to cast a colored light on the wall behind the TV. We've done shelves with these. We've done crown molding with these. That's actually really interesting. And a ceiling where you have a crown molding type of a cove lighting effect, you can just take these things, attach them on the inside of the crown molding, and the whole ceiling just glows. It's beautiful. Okay, this is a cool white color. This is more of a daylight color, or kind of a fluorescent light color. It's more blue to the eye. Especially interior at night after the sun goes down. If you put this in your house, you're going to notice a distinctly blue color. So keep that in mind if you're going to use this item indoors. We've actually lit up some. We've done a couple of landscape jobs where we lit up like a pool area with this color, some stairs and some palm trees, and it looked absolutely awesome. This is a warm white color. This is more of a standard halogen type of color. And I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but it's more of a regular warm color. This is great for interior where you just want regular white light that's not going to, cast any weird attention to itself like maybe a colored light, like a blue or a green or a red would. And I'm just going to hook up these two, the warm white and the cool white together so that you can see the color. Hopefully the camera will pick up the difference. I'm just going to have to use wire nuts to wire these together. This is the fastest and easiest way to connect these, is just use a pair of wire nuts. Positive, negative, and there you go. So hopefully the camera's picking up the difference of these two colors. Cool white, warm white.